Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 4 is also a sales tax question. It says Cypress charges $27.75 for a 1-hour dog training session. There is a sales tax rate of 4%. What is the cost after taxes for a 1-hour session? So again, first I'm going to have to find out how much money is charged in taxes, which means I need to find 4% of the price of the session, which is $27.75. So I'm going to write 4% as a decimal, which would be 0.04. Of means I'm multiplying by $27.75. If I punch that into a calculator, I find out that the amount of money paid in tax is going to be $1.11. Now I need to add that to the original price, $27.75, plus the $1.11 in tax. If I punch that into a calculator, I find out that the final price will be $28.86. Once again, I could do this in one step. If I believe that $27.75 is 100% of the price, and I'm adding a 4% tax rate, I need 104% of the price, which would be 1.04 times $27.75, and in one step I can get directly to my answer of $28.86.